Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here again with another dupe Friday. So if you want to see what I dupe out, you already know what to do. Keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so we have a little friend here. You know, this is called Mr. Pimple, but today we're gonna dupe up actually my Charlotte Tilbury powder, like my Charlotte Tilbury setting powder, and my Sephora micro smooth powder. But before we do that, let's do a little look quick. I did something the other day and I liked it, so we're gonna go ahead and do it again today. So I'm gonna use a Marc Jacobs black pencil. You can use any black pencil. I don't have Marc Jacobs. I'm pretty sure doesn't make pencils anymore, so that's kind of why. But oh no, before I do that, girl, we need to lay some stuff over top of the eye. Let me use this brush. This is a T4, and let's see what's in this palette. Oh, this will work. So this is the Personal Identity 2 palette. So I'm gonna go into this shade first and then this shade. This is literally my complexion. You can't see anything. I mean, no, actually, this might be a little light. But I'm really just setting this. Setting it. I thought this is like literally my eye color. Okay, perfect. Now, this is a Luxie 205 tapered brush, and now we're gonna go. So that was kind, and now we're gonna go into loyal, and then we're just gonna go and then just put it all over. This is my complexion. Like I could literally use this to set. Use this to set. But I don't understand. Like, this pimple is massive, and it's so painful too. So painful. Bring it all the way up. Perfect. So now let us jump into that shadow or that liner first. Last time I used that Shein one and I did not like that, so we're gonna use this one this time. Okay, that did not work either. It's okay, I have tons of stuff I can use, so we can definitely make this work, because I will use a shadow if I have to. I will use a shadow because sometimes you have to just make it work. And if you don't have something that's why makeup is like, you know, you can just do whatever you want with your makeup. Don't pay attention to people, you know, because if it comes down to it, I will use a shadow. Not shadow, sorry, a brow situation. Let's use this. So this is from Pretty Vulgar. I don't know what that brush is, but I can use just a flathead brush, and this is as black as they come. So let me leave this cover because I've had this for a minute and it hasn't gotten hard. So this, and then just bring it. This works so much better than that Shein stuff that I tried to use the other day. And now I'm just gonna go into my black shadow and blend that out. Blend that out. I have a black shadow in that same palette, which is over here, and we're just gonna blend it out. This is actually on a T14 from Makeup Shack. And just keep blending it till you get the kind of fade that you want, because I don't want it to stay super dark or super harsh. Okay, perfect. So that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and let us, you know, do a little situation with the face. The eyes I tried to keep simple, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Drunk Elephant Mineral Cream in shade Cocoa. But this one has SPF 30, which is great. Oh, maybe that's too much. I don't know. I want to try the one from Glow Recipe, but I haven't really. Okay, that's definitely too much. Like everywhere I see it, or I see people using it, like you don't get like really good reviews. So I don't know. It might be good. I might personally haven't used it yet, so maybe I need to try. Oh, maybe I'll do a dupe. Maybe I'll get it and dupe it out with this. And this is Brick-a-Brack from M.A.C. I'm gonna use that to like color correct. This is extra short from that's light. From Marc Jacobs. It's also one of those things that I need to finish up because I don't have any more, like they don't carry this anymore, and I just need to use it to finish it up. But this is such a nice foundation. This shade I think is a little bit light for me. Just a tad bit light, but you know what? We will figure it out. Again, see like how light it looked before? I mean, it's still light, but it's not light that I can't work with it, you know? And just make sure you tap at the side of the nose. It's not bad. I mean, compared to my chest, so it's not crazy light. So for my concealer, I'm gonna go in with this from Natasha Denona first, C4. And over top of that, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Power Play from Cover Effects, and I'm putting this like literally one place, like here. I haven't used this. This is actually from Fenty Beauty, and this shade is what, Truffle. So I'm trying a new sparkling water. This is it's tropical fruit. It's actually pretty good. Well, I'm drinking it, but my husband got it. Like, we always look for new drinks to try all the time. No, let's not do that. I'm just being silly. Let me put some mascara real quick. This is from YLS. Oh, let's do some Toy Factory to set under my eye. This is one of those things too, like I don't like. You like it? So difficult to come off from there. See, like I have to like. Doop, 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 doop. Okay, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. So now let us jump into our dupe Friday. So today we're duping two powders. My Sephora, which looks really dirty, micro smooth powder, and my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush finish or flawless finish powder. So let's read a little bit about it. So for the Charlotte Tilbury one, it's $48, and it comes in 4 shades: fair, medium, which is what I use, and then tan, and then deep. 4 shades. That's it. And let's read a little situation about it. It says it is 1 airbrush flawless powder sold every minute. That is a high claim. And it says what makes it magic: a super finely milled powder that feels like this cashmere on the skin, blurring the look and lines of imperfections for a soft, focused finish. Sweet almond oils and rose wax help to promote smoothness and moisture of the skin. It brightens, it sets, it does all the stuff. So this is for the Charlotte Tilbury. And now the Sephora one, it says it's, so this is $20, so it's $28 difference. And this one says it's a baked finishing powder with weightless buildable coverage to instantly blur imperfections and skin tones. Coverage light, formulation powder, and $20. So there's a huge difference. This is $20 versus $48. So let's go ahead. I have one blush. I'm gonna use it with my Charlotte Tilbury to set one side of my face, and this is the Luxie. I think this is a 734 powder brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and set this. I mean, just look at this. Like this is flawless. Like. And now I'm gonna take another brush. This one was the one for the Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm gonna go into my micro smooth powder, and we're gonna put it on this side. So for the shades, this is pretty similar. Like, I mean, I don't know. I feel like they look the same. I'm actually using the liner that I used to buff. I'm gonna put a little bit of black, just a little bit.
다시 돌아보고 있는 너 내 맘을 자꾸 흔들어 왜 어차피 끝인 걸 아는데 그래도 오직 너만 필요해 어차피 이별은 다 똑같아.
Let us talk about the setting powders. So $20 is the micro smooth powder from Sephora, and $48 is the flawless, what's it called? Flawless airbrush flawless finish from Charlotte Tilbury, which is $48. Is this a dupe? 100%. I feel like the stuff lay pretty much the same, but even the shade was pretty like spot on. But yes, save your $28 and get the micro smooth powder. And Sephora also have sale on their stuff, and to me it works the same. Like, they feel the same, the product lay on it the same, so there's no need for you to go spend a crazy amount of money. So yeah, so that's it guys for this dupe Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
행복해보고 싶었었지 시간이 갈수록 baby I still see 다시 돌아보고 있는 너 내 맘을 자꾸 흔들어 왜